So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy SEI, ticker symbol SEI, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right and press on buy crypto. Then in the search bar, type in SEI. At the top, go ahead and press on that. Type in the amount of SEI you're looking to buy, so I'll do $20 as an example. And then to proceed to the next page, press on the purple arrow. On this page, you can find the amount, the price, the fee, and the total that you will be paying, as well as the payment method. For me, it is going to be Apple Pay as an example. And if all looks good, you want to proceed with the transaction. Go to the bottom, press confirm if you want, and go that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy SEI, or C, ticker symbol SEI, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.